Hello, this is Lockpicking in Las Vegas, and what I have for you today is a series of 6 padlocks, 3 of which are the Hyper Tough brand from Walmart. The next 2 are the Brinks model 162-40001, and finally the last one is the Promax Security Series 667-44102. We'll go ahead and start on this Hyper Tough brand. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, little click out of 4. Back to beginning, nothing on 1, 2 is binding, click out of 2. Nothing on 3, nothing on 4. Back to beginning, 1 is binding, click out of 1, and we're open. Moving on. Nothing on 1. My pick is getting stuck. Nothing on 2. 3 is binding, little click out of him. Good click out of 4. Alright, back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. Little click out of 2. Couple clicks out of 3. And nothing on 4. Nothing on 1. 2 feels set. I'm missing pin 3 and 4. We've overset those. At least a little bit of tension. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Click out of 2, and we're open. And now the last Hyper Tough brand 45mm padlock. Nothing on 1. Nothing much on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Back to beginning. 1 click and we're open. Now moving on to the 40mm laminated padlocks from Brinks. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. A little bit out of 3. Counter rotation, got a click. 4, good click there. Back to beginning, 1, nothing. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. One is loose. Click out at 3. That's the back of the padlock. There's 4. And we got it open. The second of our 40mm laminated padlocks. Nothing on 1. Little click out of 2. Bigger click out of 2. Click out of 3. We're in a pretty deep false set. It's a movement on the core. Click off of 4. Nothing on 1. 2. 3. 4. Release a little tension. Nothing on 1. Couple clicks out of 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. 1 feels like it's binding. Not that much. click out of 2, click out of 1, going to reset these pins. Nothing on 1. Little click out of 2. Bigger click out of 2. Nothing on 3. Big click out of 4. Some movement on the core. Nothing on 1. Counter rotation on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. 1 is binding, and we're open. And last but not least, the Brinks Promax security with the boron carbide shackle. The boron steel shackle, my apologies. Little bit on 1. A little bit on 2. Click on 3 and it's open. Wow, didn't even have to touch the 4th pin on that one. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please leave them down below. And until next time, stay safe.